Alright, this is a video on how to use our Wazer waterjet. First thing you're going to want to do is take out this SD card and take it to the computer. Alright, we're now at the computer. SD card is in. You're going to want to go to your on shape. First thing, have your sketch already. Then we're just going to go to sketch, right click it, go to export as DXF/DWG, and then just export it. Rename it so you know which one is yours, and hit save. Alright, for next step, you're going to go to wham.wazer.com. Our login is SDA Metal Shop, and for our password you can ask Mr. Barron or Mr. Moreau. So to log in, next we go to import file. And there's our Mustang export. Gonna import it. There it is. Top right corner is where I like, top left corner is where I put mine. And then we don't need a scale since we already did that on Onshape. And then for our material, we're gonna go to metals. We're gonna go to aluminum, and you want to choose 1 millimeter. There's that. For our cutting path, you don't need to mess with that. Tabs and leads. So for this is the tabs that hold it on once it's done cutting. You can choose to have no tabs by clicking on that, and then go no tabs. Or you can do automatic tab if you want it to be together when it's done. Next we go to cut. We're going to choose course. And go to generate job file. It's going to take you to here. You're going to want to go to the Wazer. We're going to click, or we're going to rename it so we know that it's ours. And just hit save, and it's downloaded. Alright, next we're going to take out our SD card and take it to the waterjet. Now you have the SD card in. You turn on the machine. You're going to go to select cut file. We're going to go down. To our Mustang.g-code file. We're going to click OK. Prepare your machine to cut this file. Yes. Now, we're going to, just to lift the nozzle to make sure that it doesn't run into anything while it's moving around. So to do that, we're going to loosen this, lift it up, and then tighten it back down. So that's above the bed. Now we're going to press OK. It's going to home itself. Alright. It's going to give us all the details. You click OK. Fill abrasive hopper. So for that, you're going to go over here. It's on the left side. Right here, there's a drawer that you can pull out. This is filled with our abrasive sand. So you want it about halfway full. So this is good right now. If it's not full, you're going to go get your sand from this bucket, get a cup or something, and fill it up. Close that up. But then now we also want to get our hose. It should be disconnected. And we are going to put it right there. Not too far in, just like that. Alright. Click OK. Confirm water supply is on. We're going to go over here, and this should be facing away from you. And you want to turn it towards the machine, and that'll turn your water supply on. Click OK. And then now we're going to get our material. Over to this cabinet, and right here, there's a little box labeled waterjet. Just need to grab one piece of aluminum. For aluminum, we're gonna place it under the nozzle. We're just gonna cut right about there. We're gonna get a screwdriver, and we're gonna screw it in place just with 3 screws, like right there. All right, now we have our screws tying down, holding our metal. Gonna click OK. Now set the nozzle height. Set it. You're gonna take this cap off, place it under the nozzle, loosen this, and lower it down until you can feel it touching it. Right there, now it's touching it. So we're going to tie in that. Take this out. Place it back on top. Do not lose this because it's the only one we have. Alright. It's okay. Now we're going to do a dry run. Alright, now that we're at this screen, we're going to go to dry run. I'm going to click OK. And it's just going to do a test run without shooting any water or anything. Make sure that you're in the right area. Alright, that looked perfect. So now we're going to close the bed. Go to cut material. And then just press start. Alright, the cut's been done. We're going to click OK. And then now we're going to open this up, move this back, and there's our cut. You're going to want to disconnect this hose, turn off the machine, close it, and then make sure the most important step is to turn off this water. Just away from you, like that.